Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to copy Facebook page link. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open Facebook. Then tap on these three lines at the top right of the screen. Now tap on this option called Pages. Then I am going to go over to my liked pages. Then let's go over to this page as an example. So when you are on someone else's Facebook page or on your own Facebook page, what you want to do is tap on these three dots. Then simply tap on Copy Link. Now the link to this Facebook page will be copied to your clipboard, so you can go ahead and paste that in anywhere you like. For example, I am just going to open up my Notepad app. I can tap and hold it, and then I can simply press paste to paste that link. It's really quick and easy to do this. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.